All praise is due to Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth, who made the angels messengers with wings 2, 3, and 4, and He increases in the creation as He wills. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, companion of the Prophet ﷺ, reported that Allah's messenger had seen Angel Gabriel in his natural state, in which he had 600 wings, each of which filled the horizon, and they were like multicolored drops of pearls and coral falling from the wings. So the angels in their natural state are quite huge, so much so that in another narration related by Jabir ibn Abdullah, with regards to the angels that carry the throne of Allah, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Allow me to speak about one of the throne bearers. The distance between his earlobe and shoulder is what a bird would fly in 700 years. So we're talking about a huge aspect of Allah's creation. Now, the angels, though they appeared, when they appeared in human form, they appeared as males, because one of the appearances, the companions described that he looked like one of the companions whose name was Dihya al-Kalbi, that he looked similar to him, and at other times he appeared like an unknown Bedouin. Though they have been described as in male forms, they are not considered to be either male or female, nor is there any evidence in Islamic texts to indicate that they reproduce. We have in Surah As-Safat, verse 150, Allah saying, أَمْ خَلَقْنَا الْمَلَائِكَةَ إِنَاثًا وَهُمْ شَاهِدُونَ. This was rebuking the pagan Arabs for claiming that the angels were feminine, female. Now, with regards to the names of the angels, there are only 8 names which have been authentically recorded in Islamic texts. There are many in folklore. There are only 8: Jibreel, the angel of revelation; Mikael or Mikal, the angel responsible for rain; Israfil, the angel who will blow the horn, signaling the end of the world; Malik, the name of the guardian of the hell; Munkar and Nakir, 2 angels who will question people in the grave; and Harut and Marut, 2 angels who were sent to the people of Babylon to test their faith. These are the authentic names of angels. All of the other names that we hear of, Israel and etc., these names are either based on Israeli traditions, traditions taken out of the Bible, biblical sources, or they're based on weak narrations, fabricated narrations, or they're simply common folklore names which have been chosen. Now, with regards to the abilities of the angels, we have been informed that they are able to read human intent. They're able to understand what is going on in the human mind. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was quoted by Abu Huraira as saying, and this is in Sahih al-Bukhari, "The angels say to Allah that man intends to do evil, although he is more vigilant than them. He replies, watch him. If he commits evil, record it in kind. But if he abandons it, record for him one good deed, for surely he gave it up for my sake." So they have the ability to read human mind. And virtually all of the movement and activities which take place in the world are under their command or under their control or under their influence. And this is deduced from the verse in which Allah said, فَالْمُقَسِّمَاتِ أَمْرًا, and other verses where Allah's command throughout the creation, because everything is by His command, is assigned to the angels. They are also assigned to every human being from the time that they are formed in the womb to the time of birth. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was quoted by Anas ibn Malik as saying, Allah the Exalted and Glorious has appointed an angel as the caretaker of the womb that says, My Lord, it is like an oily drop. My Lord, it is now like a leech. My Lord, it has become like a clump of chewed flesh. Then if Allah wishes to complete its creation, the angel will ask, My Lord, will it be male or female? Furthermore, we have another narration from Abdullah ibn Mas'ud that when the fetus reaches the beginning of the 5th month, the angel breathes the soul into him. At that same time, 4 things are recorded: his livelihood, his lifespan, his deeds, whether he'll be wretched or happy. Besides that, each person has an angel assigned to him, or who may vary, not necessarily the same angel all the time, but an angel is with him throughout his life, encouraging him to good and guarding him from evil. This is part of that consciousness that we spoke of earlier in terms of the human being having a consciousness of good and evil. And we will look at the evil side when we come to the world of the jinn. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, every one of you has been assigned a companion among the jinn and one from the angels. So these angels who are with us encourage us to good, put good suggestions in our minds, and counteract the evil suggestions which would come from the evil source of the jinn. There are also 2 angels who are assigned to recording deeds. These are the ones most people know about. You can find in Surah Al-Infitar, verses 10 and 11, وَإِنَّ عَلَيْكُمْ لَحَافِظِينَ كِرَامًا كَاتِبِينَ, that verily there is assigned to you protectors, guardians who are noble and who record your deeds. Outside of this, we have angels throughout our life span, what takes place in our life. These angels who are with us recording are constantly with us. The angels which are assigned as a support to us, which are giving us good thoughts, at sometimes this angel may leave us. And this is what is referred to when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that angels do not enter a house in which there is a dog or pictures or statues of living beings. Because the angels that are recording angels will not leave you at any time. So we shouldn't think, as some people might ignorantly feel, that they can avoid their record taking place, deeds being recorded if they keep a dog with them all the time. At any case, with regards to a person dying, an angel is also assigned to take the soul at the time of death. And when the person dies, that soul is passed over to angels in the next life. And the angels who receive that soul take the soul on a particular journey, which we will look at when we come to the series of the lecture on the Judgment Day. But it's enough to know that the angel takes our soul in the next life, takes it through a journey, then 2 other angels will come back to it whilst it's in the grave, in that state of the grave, and question it concerning its Lord, the Prophet who was sent to it, and its religion. And that basically summarizes basic information that has been revealed to us concerning the angels. And the significance of knowledge of the world of the angels is basically for human beings to know that all of their deeds are being recorded.